Imagine being able to earn thousands of dollars in a short time by creating kids song videos with the help of AI. I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the power of artificial intelligence to create engaging, fun, and educational song videos for children without writing the song lyrics yourself, just like this.
When you wake up every day, there's a special way to say good morning with a smile so bright. Start the day off feeling right. Please and thank you, you're so kind. Good.
This video you just watched was created by me, and I'm right here to take you through the process. Please watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on anything. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Dolapo, and on this channel I share tech tips, tricks and ways to leverage the internet to make money. Whether you're looking to learn new skills, stay updated on the latest tech trends, or find innovative ways to boost your income online, you have come to the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also smash the like button and leave a comment below. And without wasting your time, let's dive into today's video. Step 1, we're going to head on to ChatGPT to generate the lyrics you want to use for the kids rhymes or the song. But if you're a good writer or you have an idea of how to, put things together, put lyrics together to create this, you can go ahead and write out your lyrics. So I'll just type this prompt on ChatGPT. I want to create nursery rhymes for kids for a YouTube video or in form of a YouTube video. Can you help me write 10 nursery rhymes or rhymes topic for kids for me? Okay, so I'm asking ChatGPT to suggest for me topics that can write lyrics on. Okay, and we have about 10 generated for me right now. That's quite amazing. So the next thing is for us to ask ChatGPT to write lyrics for me using any of these generated topics. So I'm choosing the ninth one, which is good manners. So I'll say, write a song for me using the topic good manners. So ChatGPT is going to write a song lyric for me relating to good manners, as you can see. Oh wow, this is amazing. Can you see that ChatGPT even wrote a very long, song for me in this regard. So the topic I choose here is good manners. So you can decide to write lyrics on any topic of choice. And what I will just do right now is to copy what I have here. I'll just copy what ChatGPT has written for me, and I'll open Google Docs for me to save it here. Okay, just save it just in case. I'll just keep it here and go ahead and edit. Okay, so I'm going to take off all the verse 1, verse 2, the chorus, and tags from this document. So I will just have the lyrics without the headings, without the verse, song, and chorus. Now over to step 2. So we'll head over to this website, Songhow. I'm going to put the link to all the websites I will be using in this video. I'll put them in the description box. The description box is right below this video. Okay, so you find the links to this website. So the website is Songhow, and here you can create your song. It's going to give you a beat to your song, create song for you just from red. Okay, just from text to creating a song. So because I'm creating children's song, I'm going to click on the children menu or the children link, and then I'll type this information, the title of the lyrics. So I'll just give it the title, good manner, and I'll go to my Google Docs and copy what I have there and paste it right here under the description. Then here I'll choose the character or the voice, and I'll click on render. So it's going to ask me this. Say this song needs 2 tokens to render, and I'll click on OK. And then I'm just going to wait for a few seconds for this AI to do the amazing job of creating a song. And as you can see, it has created the song for us. This is quite amazing. So I'll just go ahead and download. Okay, when I click on the download button, I have two options, either to download as a video or download as an audio. I'll click on download audio because what I have here is not a good video. Okay, so I just click on download audio so that I can have the audio version of this song. So if you ask me to log in or create an account, and after which I will have access to be able to save what I have created, okay? I'll just input my details, my name, my email, the password, and click on the next button. After which I will send a confirmation email, okay? I just add on to my email and click on the link sent to me to verify my registration. And as you can see, my email became verified, okay? So I will have access to be able to download after now. So I went back to the website and I went back to my song, which I created earlier, and I click on download and downloaded the audio. And then we'll move on to the third step. So the third website we'll be using for our project is Canva. Canva is a very beautiful and amazing tool that is so versatile. You can do a lot of things on Canva, okay? And it's better for you to have the Canva Pro version because you'll be able to have access to do a lot of things on the Canva Pro version. And I have a class that shows how to use Canva without paying the monthly subscription. You'll be able to join premium teams for free. Okay, I will show you how to do so in my class, and the class is just for 1,000 naira. So please check the description box below for details on that. On Canva, we're just going to click on create a new design and select the option YouTube video. Okay, YouTube video, and then we'll have a blank page like this. And then the next thing we'll be doing is to import the song we downloaded and saved on our device earlier. Okay, I'll just go ahead and upload. I'll click on upload and I'll upload the song I downloaded earlier and import it right here. And then I'll go ahead and drag it to the timeline. Can you see where I'm dragging it? That's the first slide of the video. So I'll just drag it there and then come to the left hand side of the Canva interface, click on elements, and on the search bar, I'll type in keep dancing to get elements, videos, or graphics that is relating to keep dancing. On Canva, we have different types of elements. We have videos, we have graphics, we have photo elements, we have audio. So we're going to choose videos or graphics relating to the content we're trying to produce. So I'll just play around this. It's just a demo. It may not be perfect while I'm walking you through this, but I just want you to understand exactly what I did. So I'll just go ahead and choose graphics. Just click on any of these elements here that I feel goes in line with what I'm creating. So you can see graphics of children dancing. I choose different types. So on the timeline, coming back to the timeline, you will notice that I added more slides. You will notice that I added more slides. I have about 5 slides there to cover up for the song, depending on how long I want the song to be. I'm just playing around it. As you can see, I was just playing around it. So I just choose the graphics and then arrange it on the on each of the slides accordingly. And to make it more visually appealing, I added some backgrounds, backgrounds that are relating to children, something very attractive like grass background. I added other elements like the sun. I just searched for sun. I added it. And then on the right side of this page, I clicked on the elements, like for example, the sun, and I animated. And for the animation, I gave it my own movement. I clicked on the elements and under create an animation, this is on the right hand side. I click on create an animation and I moved it the way I want it to move. Okay. So I'm going to finish up all these behind the scenes. This is what I was able to put together, after which I downloaded it to my device by clicking on the share button and then download. With this step, while using this AI tools, you can create a YouTube channel focused a niche around kids, nursery rhymes or songs, and potentially make thousands of dollars over time. I hope this tutorial helps you get started on your journey. If you found this video helpful, kindly smash the like button so more people can see this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more great content. And please share this video with someone who needs it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.